guys, so today we're going to install, well I think it's going to be backwards, but a LiftMaster. This is a keyless door, garage door entry. This is mostly for my kids so that they can get in and out of our garage easily. So this will have a cover over it. So we're going to install this and just see how easy it is to install. So I purchased this from Amazon, and the thing that you have to make sure is that it's compatible with your garage door opener. So my garage door opener is a LiftMaster Security 2.0, and it has a yellow button, learn button, so that's important too. It will have all the descriptions on Amazon or wherever you get it. It will describe you know, what you need to have and what model will work. So, but this is a wireless keyless entry. So we're gonna put it in. Here we go. So I want to install it, you know, pretty easy to access height here. And first I'm just going to measure how wide this is. So 5.5 inches. So I'm going to mark 2 3/4 because that is half of 5.5. Half of 5.5, in case you didn't get that. And so on the back here, it has like a keyhole mount. And then also when the battery is out, there's a little spot to screw it in to secure it. So first I'm going to do this keyhole mount part. So that's what this is going to do. The thing that was a little bit disappointing is that I got it, it did not have stainless steel screws with it, so I just went to the hardware store and picked up some stainless steel screws because it is going to be outdoors. You don't want it, I don't want it to rust and get nasty over time. So the ones that worked were the number 6, and I got a 1 inch because that was looked pretty comparable to what they had in the package, the screws that they came in the package. So I'm going to do is get a bit that is the right size. Now you can do, sometimes they'll tell you the exact size, or I'll just hold it up to the drill bit and see which one looks good. And I want it to be slightly smaller than the thread on the screw because I don't want it to be too loose and have it pull out. So I'm going to just get this bit in. Okay, nice and secure. I'm going to have it on the drill and going forward. Okay, and then I'm going to screw in that hole. So we're going to drill this all the way and pull it out. And then I'm going to screw in so I have to pause periodically because there's, you know, we're in my driveway, so there's cars that go by every so often. Alright, so this is the one that the opener will mount on, so I'm just going to it's not going to be completely flush because you want it to be able to hang on there. So what I'll do is that will slip on, and then the head of the screw will be in there. It'll be held on by the neck. Okay, like that. So now it's on technically, but you know, it would be wobbly, so that's where that other screw right here will come into play. I'm going to open that up all the way. I have a sharp pencil and a level. And I'm going to adjust this until the bubble is in the center and is totally level. Take my sharp pencil and just color in that little hole where this other screw will go in. I'll remove that. And once again, UPS is going by. Hold on. Okay. It's normally a very quiet street until you're trying to film something, and then everybody has to go down the street. Okay, so now I have my little drill bit in again. I'm going to drill that second hole, make a pilot hole for it. It's kind of good timing for that truck. We also have a lot of construction going on right now in our neighborhood, so you know, there's that. Okay. Now, going to attach. That's mounted there. Keep that open. Get the second screw, and this is just a pan head Phillips sheet metal screw. It's stainless. It looked just like the ones that were, oh, well, oh, here it is. It looks just like the ones that came in the packaging, so that's why I went with that one. Okay, I'm just switching this. Okay. And that lines up perfectly. And the tricky part is this part of the drill hits there, so I will also have a manual screwdriver to finish screwing this in. Okay, I'm going to have to turn my back to you though. So now, I can insert the battery. Put the cover on. And enter a code. I'm going to turn this off because you can't see my code. Literally took me about not even 10 seconds to program that. I just hit the yellow button on the back of my garage door opener. It's so easy to see. I pushed that down, a light lit up right next to it, came over here, entered my 4-digit code, held down the enter button until I saw the light on my garage door opener flash, and now it's done. So we can test it out. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, so Percy and I are going to test out the keyless entry right now. So we're locked out of the house. Let's see how it does. What? Amazing, totally works. You know, I don't even know how long this video is. It's just a few minutes. So easy to install. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't think to install it sooner. And it's so easy to install this keyless garage door opener, and I highly recommend doing it. It'll be awesome.